everyone. This scammer wants me to listen to his crap. He doesn't know that Bernie never listens. So, in this call, we'll just ruin his mood. Let's go.
Thank you for calling. My name is Michael. How may I help you?
Hello.
Yes, sir. May I know how can I help you?
Yes, I wanted to ask about the 100 voucher.
Surely, sir, we will be definitely helping out for that. Okay.
Yes, I
First
was
of all,
just
a
with
very
Amazon support and yeah, sorry.
sorry.
Yeah, I was just like in a call with the Amazon and like for some reason I got transferred here with the Amazon support.
Yeah, correct. I know that, sir.
Yes,
Surely we will be helping out for both the thing. Okay, with the correct number. I'll be transfer your call to my manager. My manager will be the best person to help out for you. Okay, with the correct consent number. And this is your phone number, right?
yes,
It's
yes.
754-218-3555, correct?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. So first of all, a very congratulations, sir,
Thank you.
that your number has been qualified and you are getting a $100 reward
Oh,
Visa gift card. Okay.
thanks. Yeah.
And you're welcome, sir. And this Visa gift card, you can use it in a Walmart, Target, Best Buy, J.C. Penney,
Can I
any
use
of
it
your
with Amazon
nearby
as well? I
store. You can
always
use
order
this.
stuff from Amazon. Can I use it with
Yeah,
Amazon as well?
yes, sir. That's what I'm saying you, sir. You can use
Yes.
it anywhere, anytime, okay?
Okay.
Like in Amazon also, you can use it for your online shopping as well, okay? There is no monthly charges, no yearly charges, no documentations. You are not signing up for anything, okay?
That's
You
awesome.
can
Yeah.
use this for the tenure of a 1 year. After 1 year, you just have to throw away this card, okay? There is no catch, no
Is
gimmicks
it
and all, no any
is it
hidden
gonna be
charges
like
and all, okay?
you send it to my email like the number or because my
No, sir,
granddaughter
you will
she
be...
manages my email. I'm not familiar
No,
with
sir,
technology that much. So my granddaughter she
no,
accesses my email.
okay, that's fine. So you will be getting at your doorstep by regular
Oh,
USPS.
okay.
It's your Visa gift card, okay?
Okay.
It's
So
not a
I
debit
don't
or
have
the...
to use it online. I don't have to use it. I don't know about all the online stuff. I can just
So
use
you
it
can use it,
as a debit card, for
listen.
example.
Yeah, correct. So you can use it in a Walmart, Target,
Yes,
Best Buy,
yes.
JCPenney, any of your nearby store. If you want, so you can use it for your online as well, okay? If
Okay.
you want.
How long would
You
it
can
be
use it
valid for?
anywhere.
For how long would it be
In two
valid
to
for?
three In 2 to 3 business days, you will be receiving it at your doorstep by regular USPS. Okay,
Okay.
it will be valid for the tenure of a 1 year.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, okay.
there is
That's perfect. And
yeah. You just have to take care from your side only the
I
one
can
thing,
give it
sir.
to my
That is
granddaughter.
just
She
in
can use
ship.
it online as well. For example,
Yes,
if I want like the number, will she be able to use it online? If let's say that
that
because I can't get out right now until I get vaccine for COVID-19. So
correct.
if you deliver that, would and I give it to my granddaughter, would she be able to use it online?
That's what I'm saying you, sir. You can use it. Okay.
Online,
You
I'm
can
saying
use
online,
it.
not on
Yes,
site, not at
that's
Walmart.
what I'm saying
Online.
you, sir. Online only I'm saying you. You can use that for your online also, okay?
Okay.
But you just have to take care from
Even
your
though if
side
it's not
only the
under my
shipping and
name, if my
handling,
granddaughter
which is
uses that,
just a $2. Yeah.
if my granddaughter
Sir, it
uses
will
it.
be on your name. Listen, sir.
Okay, okay,
What
sorry.
happened, sir? What happened to you? Why you are skeptical, sir? Okay?
No, no,
Your name will be written on this Visa gift card.
because the bank the other day they caused me a
Okay?
problem. The bank they caused
Yeah,
me a problem because my
correct. I know
granddaughter
that.
used
I know.
my credit card, my granddaughter, and then the bank called me and they were
Okay,
like,
okay.
no, you can't let
So,
anyone else use your credit card. So if I let her use this card, would
correct,
it be
sir.
an issue as well? I don't want to get into more trouble with the bank.
Yeah, correct. I know that, sir. I know that. That's why we are giving you the confirmation number right now. So even you can track your package. Make sure that you don't share the confirmation number to anyone, okay?
Oh,
You just have to take care from your side
yeah, I
only the
see.
one thing that is just in shipping and handling. You have to pay the one time
So
$2.95,
if I want
okay?
to order stuff
And may I, yeah,
for my granddaughter, if she wants to order stuff, I need to do it under my name because my name is the
Yeah, sir.
confirmation.
Yes,
She can't
that's
use it on her own. The card
yes,
itself.
sir. You can. Yeah, sir. So can you please confirm me your first and your last name? What name do you want on your gift card?
I want it to be under my name and my granddaughter's name at the same time. Can
Sir,
it?
that's what I'm saying you, sir. Just say me your name,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. My name is Bernie.
Just spell it out your name, sir.
Bernie. Bernie.
It's E E.
B
It's
B
B-E-R. Yeah, it's
R N.
B-E-R-N-I-E.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's B as in boy, E as in echo, R as in Roger, N as in Nancy, I as in India, E as in echo, correct?
Exactly. Yeah.
Spell out your last name, sir.
Sanders.
Just spell it out, sir.
Sanders. Sanders.
It's
DE.
S-A-N-D-E-R-S.
Exactly. Yeah.
Confirm me your mailing address. Where should we send this Visa gift card? What's your mailing address?
Yes. It's 315 W
31.
57
It's 31. Sorry, it's
Street, New
315.
York City. The zip code is
Sir, what? Listen, sir.
10019.
What I'm saying you, sir. Why can't you understand me, sir?
I have
I'm
issues
saying you.
with my
What's
ears.
your
Sorry, I have issues with my. I don't hear people very well. I'm sorry.
sir? What's your
I'm sorry.
street name?
Yeah, it's 57th. 57th. W. That's the number. 57th.
Sir, what's your street name?
It's called like that. Like the building number. It's 315 57th West. That's the name.
It's 57. It's
Exactly.
315 57.
57 TH. Like 57th. That's the name of the street.
Okay.
Like we have it in New York like
I
that.
know, I know, I
57,
know that,
58,
sir. I know,
59, 60, 61, 62, and so on.
I know that, sir. I know
63,
that. I know
64.
that.
Yeah.
It's 315 57th Street, right?
57th TH.
Northeast.
But you have no West W between 315 and 57th. There is W from West. So 315 space W space 57th
Okay. I
Street.
got it, sir. I got
Yes.
it. I got it.
Yeah.
And what
It's
is
a
your
little bit
zip code, sir?
confusing.
What?
I had some issues
No,
with
sir.
delivery
Don't
companies
don't be.
before. Have
No, sir.
same
Don't
issues
be
with.
confused.
Yeah.
Just say me a
Sometimes they
street.
deliver to other people and they get into trouble with
I know that.
UPS.
I know that, sir.
Yeah.
That's the reason I'm saying you just say me a zip code. What's your
Yeah.
zip
New
code?
York City. In New York City.
No, I'm saying you, sir. What's your zip code?
Oh, the number. It's 315. 315. Sorry. Space
Sir, what's
W.
your... Sir, listen to me. What I'm asking you,
Sorry,
what's your
son.
zip
Sorry, I
code?
have issues with my. With what number? The zip code.
Yes,
10019. Sorry, sorry.
10019.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. So the mailing address which you have given to me, I'm just confirming it. Okay,
Okay.
it's listen, sir, listen it carefully.
315
Don't listen, sir,
W57th Street.
listen what I'm saying. Sir, listen to
Yes.
me, sir, please.
Okay.
It's
15.
315 West
No,
57th
no, not
Street.
West. Just W. Just W. Don't type
Yeah,
West.
that's what I'm saying you, sir. It's W.
Exactly.
57th Street, New York. Then the zip code is
No, no.
10019.
Street, just ST. Just ST. Street, don't type
Yes,
street, just ST.
correct. Yeah, that's what I'm saying you, sir. It's ST only.
315 W57th THST. New York
Yeah,
10019.
correct, correct,
The zip
correct.
code, yes.
Yeah,
So
correct. And may I know how
can I
you...
have it under like my name and granddaughter's name at the same time? Would we be able to do that?
No, sir, it will be only on your name, okay?
Oh, but
Yeah, so
uh,
no, but
but
but listen,
she
listen,
can.
sir, but your
I want her to be able to use
but
the
she
card
can
at the
also
same
use it.
time.
Listen,
But I don't want to
yes,
get
sir,
into
she can
trouble with the
also use.
bank. I don't want to get into
Sir,
trouble
I
with the
know
bank
that, but can
itself.
you listen?
No. Oh,
Okay, sir, I'm saying you. Can you please say
oh,
me how you will be paying the one time $2.95? Which card you will be using to
How?
pay the one-time $2?
Yeah, but how much is it gonna be for? 100. Like you,
So
how
it is.
much? You're gonna send me 98. What do
So
you
can
mean?
you under? No, sir. No, sir. Listen
What
to me.
you
You
said
will be
like it's
getting a
you're gonna
hundred
guys,
dollar reward Visa
you're
gift
gonna
card, sir.
deduct
Sir,
two
you want this
dollars,
Visa? Listen, sir. Listen, sir. Listen to me. Do you want this
$2
Visa gift card or you don't want this?
Of course I need it, but I want to be able to use it with my granddaughter.
Yeah. So listen to me. I know that, sir. But I'm asking you. Can you listen it to me? How you will be paying the one-time shipping and handling? Which card you will be using to pay the one-time Visa or the Mastercard?
MasterCard, of course, but you mentioned it's gonna be 100, but now you mentioned you're gonna deduct $2. Is it gonna be for 100 or 98?
No, sir, we will. Sir, no,
You're
we are not
confusing me.
deducting
You're
anything, sir.
confusing
We are
me.
not deducting any. Sir, we are not deducting you any amount. So can you please let me know how you will be paying the one-time two
Yeah, I
dollar and
told you
95 cents?
MasterCard, but
Which card?
I don't wanna get into trouble. Can I get two cards, one for me and one for my granddaughter? So like, I don't wanna get into trouble with the bank
Yes,
again.
sir. Yes. Listen, yes, you will be getting it
Two
when I will
cards,
be
two
transferring it to
cards,
my manager. My manager will be helping out for that.
two cards.
Okay. But right now, yes, sir,
Like two
that's what
cards.
I'm saying
Oh,
you. But
amazing,
right now, to pay the one time, listen, sir.
amazing.
But right now, to
So now
pay
I
the
need,
one time two
you're
dollar,
gonna send
listen,
me two $100 cards, like double, right? Like two cards,
sir, can you
like
please
one
say
for
me your
me, one
Mastercard number to
for
pay the
my
one time two
granddaughter.
dollar?
Her name is Stephanie. Stephanie, my granddaughter.
I know,
Stephanie
I I
Sanders.
know that,
How do you know? Do you know? How do you know? How do you know her name?
sir. Can you please listen it to me,
How do you
sir?
know
But
her name? Where,
first I have to complete your
where
card.
do you
So
know her
can you
name
please?
from? My granddaughter. How do you
Thank you
know?
for your thank you for your precious time, sir. Have a great day.
What? No. What do you mean? Well, I'm asking you a question like you told me you know her name. How do you know her name?
So because right now you only told me, but before that, what I'm
I just
asking you,
told
you
you
are
her
not
name. You said
answering
I
me.
know.
How you
How
will be
come?
paying the one time? So how you will be paying the one time
What's
two
your
dollar?
name?
You are
What's your
using
name?
your
Excuse me,
Mastercard.
just what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Michael Knight.
Michael, like I told you, this is for the third time. It's gonna be Master. What's wrong with you? It's gonna be MasterCard. I'm gonna be paying with
So
Master.
just say me
But
the
I wanna
number.
get more
So say
information.
me the number.
I wanna get more confirmation about before I do this commitment. I want to get like in confirmation and information before I get into trouble with the
So what?
bank.
So
You're gonna cause me issues with the bank when my granddaughter
so
uses this one. Well, I can't just go on with it like that. Do you understand my situation? Can like the two cards? Can my granddaughter, like one for my granddaughter, one for myself as well? So are they gonna be two cards or just one card? You're not answering my questions.
so you will be getting only one card,
See,
which will be on
see,
your name,
you
and
see,
for that
you
you have
told
to
me,
pay the one time $2
you
and
just told me it's
95
gonna
cents.
be two cards. You just told me it's gonna be two cards.
So when I will be transferring it to my manager, that time he will be
I
saying
need
you
either
that you will be getting or no.
two cards, one for me, one for my granddaughter, or have her name with me on the same card. So which one will we be going for? Two cards or two names on the same card? You
There
see?
will be, so you will be, if you want the one more card, you have to call me once again. But first you have to complete this.
So I need to
Then only
call
you can
again
call.
and apply again, but you're with me on the line.
Correct, correct, correct,
You see?
correct. First
You
listen to
can
me,
do it
sir.
right now. You can take her name and then
Sir,
you can take her name and then we can
sir,
do it.
correct, sir.
Because
I totally agree.
she's not living with me in the same address.
I know that, sir.
She's
I
not.
know that,
How
sir,
do you
that
know
you have
she's not in
said
the
me
same
right now.
address?
Sir, right now you have told me, sir. Sir, you want this Visa gift card,
I
so
know
for
want the
that you have
Visa
to pay
card,
the one
but
time $2
I
and
want it for my
95 cents. So can
granddaughter
you
as
please
well.
say me the
I want it for
Mastercard
my
number? Can
granddaughter
you
as
please say
well.
me the
I
Master?
want it for her as well. I want one for my granddaughter. Oh, no, no, I need one for Stephanie. What the hell? I'll call them next time.